Example problem 5 is a word problem. It reads, a physician has prescribed a patient 4.0 grams of an antibiotic, but the patient's pharmacy only measures solid medication in units of milligrams. How many milligrams of an antibiotic has the physician prescribed to the patient? The first thing that we do, even in word problems, the approach does not change, is to write down what the problem tells us. And so the problem has told us that we are starting with 4.0 grams of antibiotic. The next thing that we do is to figure out what we are converting to. And so the last sentence of the problem says, how many milligrams of antibiotic has the patient been prescribed? So milligrams is what we are converting to. Now we have to determine whether this is a single step or a multi-step approach. So we are converting from a base unit to something with a prefix. And so since we're going from a base unit to something with a prefix, that is a single step conversion. So we can go ahead and draw our multiplication symbol, draw our division bar, bring grams to the bottom so that it can cancel, and write milligrams on top with our equal sign. We always give the 1 to the thing with the prefix, which is milligrams, and we give the metric system constant to the base unit, which is grams. And so the metric system constant for milli is 1 times 10 to the minus third. And you can see where grams cancels here and we're left in milligrams. So in your calculator, you would write 4.0 divided by 1 times 10 to the minus 3. And in my calculator, it looks like 4.0 divided by 1e to the minus 3. And press enter. So that is going to be 4,000 milligrams. And let me know if you have any other questions about this problem. Thanks.